If you have been looking for ways to fix the monitor randomly turning black on your PC or stopping working, then you are in the right place. We have got some effective solutions lined up for you. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Update the monitor driver. Updating the monitor driver can fix this issue of the monitor going black randomly. Go to Device Manager and find the monitor option. Then click on it and you will see the available monitor options. Now right-click on it and then choose Update Driver. After that, choose Search automatically for drivers. If any updates are available, the system will display them and you need to then install them. Once you're done updating the monitor driver, update display adapters by following the same process. Method 2. Check the monitor cables. If you are using a PC, then you need to check the monitor power and VGA or HDMI cables. First, disconnect the cables and then wait for a few minutes. After that, reconnect them and see if the issue is fixed or not. If you are still facing this black screen issue, try different cables to see if faulty VGA or HDMI and power cables are causing this. Method 3. Disable the automatic display turn-off. The next solution to this issue is to disable the setting that automatically turns off your monitor. You can get there from Control Panel, then Hardware and Sound, and then Power Options. Now, you need to change the Screen on Settings and Sleep Settings. From the drop-down arrow under both headers, choose Never as your preferred setting. And that's it. It will resolve your issue. Method 4. Perform SFC scan. If the solutions mentioned till now have not helped, then performing an SFC scan is essential. If the issue continues to bother you, then running the SFC scan is the next logical process. It will help you identify any corrupted files. Type command prompt in the Windows search box and choose Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt is open, type sfc/scan now. Now the system will find and repair corrupted files, which should resolve your issue. Method 5. Initiate system restore. If the issue persists, you must initiate Windows System Restore. To start this process, restart your computer multiple times and it will open Windows Startup Automatic Repair. Now, hit restart and see if you're facing this issue again. If it continues, open Windows Startup Automatic Repair again and this time click on Advanced Options. From Advanced Options, click on System Restore. After that, select a restore point before this black screen issue begins. Click on Next and wait for the system to restore all the necessary files and return to working order. This must resolve the issue. And there you have it. 5 quick tips to solve the issue of the monitor going black, the screen randomly turns black or stops working. We hope any of the methods have worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.